If you're like most real estate agents, you understand the importance of having a memorable business card. Not only does it help potential clients remember who you are and how to get in touch with you, but it also gives them a tangible reminder of your services. However, simply printing off some business cards from a template or design software isn't going to make you stand out from the competition. To create a truly unique and memorable business card, you're going to want to follow these 9 tips. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. First, let's start by talking about what information needs to be on your business card. When designing a business card, you need to think about the information a potential client needs from a real estate agent or broker. It does not matter if you have a gorgeous business card design if your client can't use the card to reach you. A real estate business card needs to have your name prominently in the design. Then it needs to have your contact information, including your email address and phone numbers. If you have a logo, that needs to be on it as well. If you work with a brokerage firm that has a well-known influence in your local community, make sure that information or logo also shows well. Consider adding a QR code that contacts can scan with their phone to get your contact information on their device. Images are also important on a real estate business card. A headshot can help give it a pro look and brand you as a real estate professional. And finally, some sort of image connected to real estate, such as a sold sign or an image of a house, can be part of your business card design. Discussing real estate business card design is easier if you know what features to include to stand out from the crowd. Here are 9 business card idea examples that can help make your real estate marketing more effective. Number 1, use QR codes. QR codes makes it easy to connect with your potential clients and transforms your paper card into a digital business card. Your business card can get lost quickly after you hand it to a potential client, but if you add a QR code, perhaps right next to the professional headshot, they can scan it right away and get your information on their phone. Once a potential client scans the code, they instantly connect to your website. Number 2, consider silver or gold foil printing. One of your goals when designing a business card is to make it stand out, and silver or gold foil printing does just that. Gold and silver foil lettering catches the eye and makes your card look more professional, which is important especially if you sell luxury real estate. If the rest of the card has a matte finish, gold foil can draw attention exactly where you want it. Number 3, use a metal or plastic business card. Paper cards are so common that people easily overlook them or lose them, but a metal or plastic card will stand out. Also, metal and plastic cards hold up better in a purse or wallet too, increasing the chances that your potential client will pull out the card later and contact you when they need real estate services. Number 4, design with a unique shape. No one says that a business card has to be in a rectangular shape. Use a unique shape like a house or a key to make yours distinctive. You can find a business card template in just about any shape, so get creative. Also, for a simple fix, just try using rounded corners. Number 5, print on door hangers instead of business cards. Another option to consider is to print your brand identity information on a door hanger instead of the business card. You can then hang the door hangers on homes in your target neighborhood, helping draw potential buyers and sellers to your real estate business. Consider printing door hangers with detachable business cards on durable cardstock to handle both needs. For some great door hanger ideas, check out my other video that I'll link above here. Number 6, use distinctive printing. Your business card does not have to have your name, address, and phone number front and center with an image and headshot, and that's it. This gets so boring, so work with a graphic designer to make your printing and logo distinctive in your design. Number 7, make your logo or tagline prominent. One part of your business card's design needs to be the prominent focus. Consider making your logo or tagline the main focus of the design. This will go far in helping your overall branding efforts. Need some help with your brand and logo? Check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 8, add social media connections. Include your real estate social media pages on your realty business card. This makes it even more effective as part of your marketing material. Number 9, include texture. Finally, consider including texture through embossing or unique paper when designing your real estate company business card. Again, this will make people take a closer look, help with your branding, and get more attention than a boring business card. All right, let's wrap up by talking about some frequently asked questions that I get about real estate business cards. First, where should I leave my real estate business cards? Get used to carrying your cards around you wherever you go. Keep a handful in your bag or pocket, or keep a stash in your car. Make sure you have enough whenever you attend networking events. Next, what are real estate business card requirements? This varies from state to state, but typically you're going to need to put your real estate brokerage information on your business card. Be sure to check with your broker before printing to see if they have any additional requirement. Also, if you'd like some more personal branding tips, check out this other video that I'll link above. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. And I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. What do you put on your business cards? Did you design them yourself or hire someone? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.